Before you seal your granite countertop, test to see if it needs to be sealed by dripping a few drops of water on top of the granite. If the water beads up and doesn't soak into the surface, you don't need to seal your granite. If the water soaks into the countertop, you'll need a penetrating sealer designed specifically for granite. To apply the sealer, first clean your granite countertop with water and dish soap. Then, wait 12 to 24 hours for the countertop to completely dry. Once it's dry, spray the sealer over the countertop, including the edges and backsplashes. Let the sealer sit for 15 minutes so it absorbs into the granite. Then, apply a second coat. Wait 20 minutes, then wipe the excess sealer up with a clean cloth or sponge. Finally, wait 24 hours before placing anything on your newly sealed countertop.